Hey guys, so on this day, my friends and I decided to hike Kulana'ahane to Godek in Moanalua Valley. We walked on the boring flat road to the Kulana'ahane trailhead, which took us about an hour. Surprisingly, the valley was very dry. There was no water stream in sight. This made us look forward to the clear summit ahead. Going up the spur ridge took about 20 to 30 minutes. Looking back was a stunning view of Moanalua Valley. While working our way up, we could see our exit summit destination, which was to the top of Red Hill Summit. Once we reached the top, we were welcomed with the view of the H-3 Freeway and all of Kaneohe in front of us. Alright, time to bust out our drones. Can't wait to see footage from both of ours. It's a nice day, it's not windy, it's usually windy here. Here's stairway, it's clear. Cue the drone footage. Jenilyn and I had a fun time flying our drones while the others roamed across the summit. We then packed our bags and began the traverse to Red Hill Summit. The view looking back was so awesome, even though it was narrow. So we're gonna climb up all this and get to the top. Not gonna lie, what we just did is pretty narrow. This came from there. Yeah. Say hi, guys. We rested at a cool viewpoint and took our time taking pictures and videos. It was such an awesome view. Look at the clouds rising. With a beautiful H-3 coming. We took our lunch break at the Red Hill Summit and the clouds were pretty socked in. I found a missing hiker sign which was about Moki, who's been missing since 2015. I believe no one had ever found him till this day. Eventually the views cleared up as the clouds moved very fast. While taking pictures, I came across a weird feeling on my arm, which was a little inchworm squirming. Okay, time to go. We started heading our way down Red Hill Ridge to get to the Godek Junction. We were able to see the H-3 freeway on our right. As we made our way down, it started to pour. I think we're almost to Godek. Alright, here's the junction. It's full of pink ribbons. You really can't miss the junction. There's like that. There's that. There's even over there. Over there. And here. We're heading down Godek Ridge right now. It's not that bad. There was a skinny section. But other than that, it's kind of gradual. Some steep sections, not bad. It's raining on us right now. It's all muddy. A bunch of uhe. And the beginning part was all strawberry guava. But now we're just going through uhe. At first I thought we were already at the Kulana'ahane Valley Trail, but it did take us a while. How? Once we hit the valley trail, we then walked back on the boring Kamananui or Moanalua Valley Trail and reached the gate, finishing our adventure for the day. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to subscribe and or even hit the like button. Mahalo!